Are you tired of selling products by the piece when you know your customers need them by the square foot, the cubic meter, or even the linear inch? Let's face it, trying to shoehorn measured products into a standard WooCommerce setup can feel like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. That's where the WooCommerce Measurement Price Calculator plugin comes in. This awesome tool lets you sell anything by any measurement, from fabric to fencing, wallpaper to water. If it has dimensions, this plugin has you covered. Hey, my name is Jeff and welcome to Sleekr Digital. We are going to learn to make things super smooth for your customers, ensuring they get exactly what they need and that you sell more. In the next few videos, we'll dive into the exciting world of measurement-based selling. We'll explore quantity-based versus user-defined calculators, learn to set up advanced measurement types like surface area and volume, and even tackle the room walls calculator for those tricky wallpaper projects. By the end, you'll be a measurement master. So buckle up and get ready to revolutionize the way you sell your products. Let's get started. Click the link below to dive into Lesson 1.